Okay, yeah, I'm finally back home off work. Let's get this video going. I stopped at Starbucks looking for these cups. Of course, my store didn't have them. So I ended up getting this gold cup. I thought it was so cute. And I haven't seen these. This is just a cold cup, metal, really, really nice. Yeah, only thing I got from Starbucks. Amazing. Yes, decided to just grab this gold cup. I thought it was super cute. Then like I said, I haven't seen these anywhere. So yeah, IKEA. The first thing I got is a bucket hat, y'all. I decided to get this little bucket hat, a rain hat. Like I said, and I showed earlier in the clips, it's gonna be raining all week, so I decided to grab a bucket hat. Why not? Why not? Also, and I did show this stuff already, but this little pouch is so cute. You could keep change in it. You could keep cards. I got a couple of gift cards. The gift cards fit in here really good. If you're the type that keeps a lot of cards, yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Cards fit inside of this thing. Of course, change. You can put some change in here. Lip gloss. This is the Fenty lip gloss. This is a MAC lip gloss. That fits in there. Let's see if we could get a lipstick in there as well. MAC lipstick. And a lip balm. I don't know if the lip balm is gonna fit. And a lip balm. So yes, if you're the type of person like me, you carry a lot of lip products. As you see, I got 4 inside of this thing, and I still have a, well, no I don't. I thought I had a little bit more room. So this is good for that. Also, if you keep like headphones or power cords, this will be the perfect spot for this thing. Just put it in here. These are some Beats that I really don't use anymore, but yes, you could put them inside of there with no problem and keep everything really organized inside of your purse. As y'all do know, I use the Beats, the Pro Beats, I think this is what these things is called. I use these, and sometimes this case is very, very bulky. I love carrying the case because it keeps the earphones charged. I love it. But sometimes I carry a mini purse and I don't have room for that case. So instead of these just falling to the bottom of my purse, I could just use this, which I love it. I love it just for that reason. To put my headphones in, plus my lightning card. Yes, this is a winner for me. Not only for change, but just for your devices, the cords and stuff. A must have. A must have. And it has this little chain, and I know I'm dragging this. It has this little chain as well, so you could clip it onto a bag, a work bag. You can also put your hand sanitizer inside of it. I thought I had a hand sanitizer over here. Yeah, I do. You can put your hand sanitizer in it with a mask and you're good. Put it on, clip it on your work bag or your lunch box or whatever. I'm just saying. If you have an IKEA, this is a winner. This is a winner. So I'm happy I got this one. I wish I could have grabbed 2, but she couldn't find them. So this one is going to be for my purse, and I'll need another one for my work bag. So yeah, I got that. Amazing deal. And then I got this little mixing bowl, and forgive me, I can't pronounce none of this stuff. I'm just saying, yeah, I'm just saying. I'll probably add something in there so y'all can see, but this bowl is amazing. It lays like this, or you could prop it like that, because as you see, it has the 2. It has it for the flat surface. If you need it to be on an angle, you could do it like that. Then you got this spout where you could pour stuff, as well as this spout where you could pour stuff. So good. This is a really, really nice mixing bowl. So happy to get this. And I think this was like $6 or $7. Not expensive at all. Toilet bowl cleaners. These little things was just like, what, 99 cents? So I just grabbed two. Now these things, if you're into coffee and you like your cream to be frothed, right here you go. Yes, yes, yes. This little frother thing at IKEA is $2. I couldn't believe it. $2, because I think on Amazon these things are like $6, I believe. So for $2, you can't beat them. And I think it takes 2 AA batteries, I believe. I think it takes 2 AA batteries. Either AA or AAA. I think it's AA. Whatever is 1.5 volts. You know how most of our stuff say AAA or AA. Theirs just have the voltage. And I don't know what the voltage is. I'm sorry, y'all. But when I seen that they had this, because on the app, for some reason, they do not update the app. So on the app, it's showing that these are out of stock. But when I went down there, they had a lot of them. So I don't know what's up with that. The next thing I got is a shelf unit. If you could see that, I decided to grab one of these shelf units. So I decided to just grab this because I was thinking to use it for my candles. If it don't work in here, then I will just use it somewhere else in the house for storage. So yeah, and it's actually wired, like a stainless type of deal. And then the next thing I got, and I seen this as I was walking out the door. Well, not walking out the door, but walking to the registers. I seen this little bench. It's like a stool. Plus it has storage as well. So I might do this, use this one for a couple of candles in here. And I also could use this as a side table for my chair that's sitting here. Right now I'm using like a wine rack, and I got this little thing on top of it. So it's almost like a side table, but it's not really. So I think this one might work a little better, and I think it might be a little bit taller. So I'm gonna see if this works in here. If not, again, I might just use it somewhere else inside the house. So yeah, I got that. Also, y'all, I had already showed y'all that I got this huge bag. When I tell you this bag is so big, oh my gosh, this bag is huge. It is so big. This thing right here could fit inside of it with no problem. That's how big this bag is. This thing is huge, y'all. And I think it could lay down. Oh no, it can't. It can't lay down, but it's huge. And it was only 99 cents. It was only $1. This most definitely would come in handy when we go to estate sales, or if you go grocery shopping at like Sam's or Costco's to put some of your groceries in, like your frozen groceries or vegetables and fruits and things like that. This will be great for that. You know, instead of getting all those boxes. I hate getting all those doggone boxes. I'm just saying. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So, you know, or it could be good for your Aldi trip. So any place where you gotta get a box or buy a bag, just get a reusable bag. And a bag this size can hold so much stuff. For $1, you can't go wrong. Okay, and then the next items I got, we're gonna start with this one. I seen this little thing and I thought it was so cute. So cute. And it is metal. like brass or whatever. It's a kangaroo, y'all. I thought this was so cute. And it holds like the tea light candles. I thought it was so cute. And then I seen these little containers. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. You cannot tell me that this isn't cute. Look at that. So, because y'all know I really don't like cherry scented candles, they did have some candles down there, which y'all did see in the clip. So, I decided to just grab like the little tea size, just to get it in small doses and put it inside of the little thing. Let's see how that looks, y'all, real quick. It actually don't smell bad. It actually smells a little bit like strawberry. But look at that. Oh my goodness. See, because I don't like the cherry scent, so to have it in a little small dose is just enough for me. So that is so cute. And I think this thing was like $7, I think. And it's metal. It's metal. It's not like a plastic. This is like got a little weight to it. So that's cute. I had to get it when I seen it. I said this little thing has to go home with me. It has to. So yeah, I grabbed it. So as I said, these are the cherry. And again, no scent notes. Yeah, no scent notes. The next thing I got is another candle. These are 25 hours. And this is the pear candle. It actually smells really good. Pear and peach, I think. But yeah, I decided to grab one of those, and it does not have any scent notes or what kind of candle it is on the package. Okay, this one is the peach and orange candle. Peach and orange. And these were $1.50. It actually smells real good. I don't know how it's gonna throw. I hope it throws good, but we shall see what IKEA is giving. We're gonna see. And the next one is apple and pear. Again, another 25 hours. And this is apple and pear. This one smells super, super good. It most definitely smelled like apples. This one smelled good. And this next one is red garden berries. Red garden berries. Am I holding it? Oh no, I'm not. Yes. Berries. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. And I do notice this one is really full versus this one. So the difference in how full, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a big difference. That's a big difference, and I didn't even notice that. Let's see with this one. But for $1.50, what do you expect? So the next one is, that one was the red garden berries, which is probably going to be raspberry and like a strawberry. And the last one is sweet vanilla. Sweet vanilla. And it's just white. And it smells like ice cream. It does smell like vanilla ice cream. I hope these candles really, really throw good. I really do. The reviews on these candles, it has 4.5 stars, so you know, I don't know if it's gonna throw, but a lot of people say they smell good, very cheap. First time using them, she loved the smell. So yeah, they got pretty good rating, so we shall see. And like I said, I had got 2 of these little small little glasses for the tea light candles, so I grabbed 2 of them, and these were like 29 cents, I believe, 25 cents or something like that. I was super shocked because I was actually expecting to pay like 50 cents, because y'all know people be getting over. This is actually worth 25 cents. So yeah, it was 30 cents, 29 cents, which is really good. Really good price for this little small item. And so the last 2 things I got was a pitcher. I don't know if y'all could see that or not. I decided to grab this pitcher. It's like a poster picture. I'll put a link to it or whatever. And then I got the frame. Now I don't know how this gonna work. I really don't. But one thing about IKEA, they gonna show you how it works, because they ain't finna put nothing together. So so yeah, those were all of the things that I got in such short time, because I didn't really have a lot of time, and I didn't even get through half the store. I only went to the kitchen area, the clearance area, like the flower. I went to the flowers, all of the bottom stuff, like where you go and check out at. I only went to that area. I didn't even go upstairs. I wanted to go to the cafeteria, but it opened up at 11 o'clock, and by the time I decided to do it, it was time for me to check out and leave. So just so I could be on time for work. So I will be making more of these videos. I will be going back down there because I really want to see more of IKEA. I haven't been down there in a while. It's been a long time since I've been down to IKEA. I really like IKEA. We only have one here in my area. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you been to IKEA? What are your number 1 or your top 3 items that you love at IKEA? I do own a couple of things. As you see, this little thing right here, is from IKEA. I actually got this little lakey shelf thing, or whatever it's called, lack shelf thing right here from IKEA. I do have a couple of items from IKEA. It's just, like I said, I haven't been down there in a couple of years, especially with everything that's going on. I just haven't been down there. So I decided to just go down there, see what they have, grab a couple of things, you know, because like I said, I didn't have much time. But leave in the comments, let me know, what are your top 3 things that you love at IKEA that you highly recommend for us to try. Leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram, baby. Follow me over there. What else, y'all? What else? Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.